So there's a huge difference between attending the PILMMA Summit and going to other law conferences. Winning cases isn't helpful if you don't have a client base to work with. And what's unique about coming to PILMMA is the focus is on how to build your business. It's how to build that client base so that you can use what you've learned to be a successful attorney, build your practice, increase your profits, and continue to grow your practice. My name is Jeff Rabin, and I have a Social Security disability law practice in the suburbs of Chicago. Over the last 30+ years of working with people on Social Security claims, there has been a seismic shift in how you run and operate a law practice. Marketing becomes everything, and what I have found at the PILMMA Super Summit are a whole ton of new ideas, which I was actually emailing to my office manager while I was sitting in the sessions, and a tremendous amount of energy from talking with the other attendees at the Super Summit, as well as from some of the other speakers. In addition, the exhibitors that are here have had a bunch of new ideas, and are at least 2 that I'm going to be following up with for working with in my law firm after the summit ends. I have not been to a PILMMA Summit before. I have been a PILMMA member for a couple of years, but was hesitant to bite the bullet and come to the summit, and oh my gosh, I wish I'd been coming here for the last 10 years. It makes me more energized and sort of recharges the battery to go out and take my practice and make it grow even more. You work every day, you get into a rut and you get stale and you get focused on the day-to-day grind of the business. When you can take your break, come here and change your focus on how can I take my small law firm and make it even more successful, you go back to work the next week with a whole new round of energy and a whole new bunch of ideas to go out and implement and to share with your staff. One of the interesting things when you listen to the speakers here is how important it is to involve your staff in the overall marketing and growth of the law firm. And my staff is going to hear a whole bunch of stuff in the next few days after I get back to the office. Oh, it's absolutely an investment in my own future. And I would say to any law firm that wants to grow, that they have to have somebody at the PILMMA Summit to hear what the latest ideas are, what the best techniques are, what the best strategies are, and how they can implement them in their own practices. This is a success-based conference. The ideas that I've learned from the summit are going to help my practice grow and improve the bottom line as early as the end of this year. The nice thing here is when you're at the PILMMA Summit, you leave your competitive hat at home. So you're here with colleagues who all share the same interests, who all have the same ambitions, and even if you're in close markets, you're still willing to share ideas and concepts because that's the whole purpose of the summit. It works really, really well. Ken gets everybody to sort of lay their personal goals to the side when they come here and talk about what's really good for business. Just the camaraderie amongst the people that attend the summit is really valuable, and it's really rewarding, and it's really great to be able to share ideas, concerns, problems, successes with people who are in the same boat as you are. You don't get that opportunity a lot as a lawyer. As a lawyer, you're kind of on an island with your own little business and you're constantly competing and fighting. Here you get a chance to really share the burdens of running a practice and the successes and joys of it, and that's really rewarding.